running around getting groceries and stuff like that a lot more pleasant because it takes longer for your hands to freeze. So that's always nice. Alright, just pulled up to the grocery store, so I'm gonna go in and get what I need, and I will see you all in a bit. Done at the grocery store. I got everything I needed, or everything that was on my list anyway. And it was a $223 touch, which actually wasn't bad. Not having bought groceries in 17 days. So pretty good. Now I have to find my way out of this maze that is Brighton. And I'm gonna make my way to Costco. Fuel up there, and then I'm still undecided as whether or not I'm getting soil, but I'll decide that when I go out of the city. I think there is a lot of snow and a lot of ruts, which makes driving even more fun. This is what I'm driving. Longer than I care to wait for. So I turned around and I'm heading back to house. I decided I'm not going to stop and get soil because I still have a bale and that'll last me quite a bit of time. So I'm going to go in the, well, I guess I can wait to get gas then too. The only reason I was going to stop at Costco was because it's $1.29.9, so I think the co-op is $1.35. I can't remember. It's something like that. What are you doing? People coming out of Costco on a Friday before a long weekend is a little crazy. $1.47.9, and Costco is $1.29.9. So I would have saved quite a lot of money if I would have filled up at Costco, but I got other stuff to do than to wait in line for a half hour or so. So I'm gonna go home. That intersection was rough, and it is extremely icy out. So I'm trying to drive carefully and watch out for all the people who don't know how to drive carefully, which really keeps the person on their toes. $1.06 here. The Flying J on Idlewild and Saskatoon is $1.47. So that just tells you that it's going to go up for the long weekend. So I'm going to fill up now so it doesn't go up to like $1.65 and then I get caught in an empty tank trying to fill up to the top. So I'm going to fill up and we'll catch you in a bit. Alright, fueled up. And now I'm going to head for... It's actually really nice out too today. My car currently says -11. There's a little bit of wind, but it's not like super, super cold like it has been the last week, which is, again, really nice. So, the co-op parking lot is always a little crazy. Lots of people. I was also just thinking that it's also been a while since I washed my car, and it's probably been 2.5 months, and I've noticed that there's quite a bit of salt on it, so I may go and wash it on Sunday for something to do. So, also, I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I know it's past Christmas, but I hope you had a good holiday in whatever you celebrate, if you do celebrate, and hope you have a really good New Year, and be safe. Don't do anything too crazy. And yeah, we will see you all in the New Year. Well, I am home. I'm just pulling in to the garage. So thank you for watching. And we will see you in the New Year. See y'all later.